Prepare all installation accessories. Fit aluminum alloy accessories into upper door frame. Connect left and right door frames with aluminum alloy parts and fasten with screws. Same for the other side. Prepare to install the panels. Fit panels into frames sequentially. Clip the lower door frame with aluminum alloy connectors into the left and right frames and secure it. Fit the door stop to the door frame of the other leaf. Then assemble door leaf following same steps. Door leaf installation complete. Then we install the door lock. Install the lock cylinder. Flip lock to face latch bolt down. Push latch bolt in and rotate 180. Release it. Lock tongue direction adjusted successfully. Secure lock frame and lock cylinder. Then put in the square bars. Next, install the actual handle. The handle on the other side. Fasten the handle with screws. The actual handle installation is finished. Next, install the dummy handle. Screw in for fixing. Right inner opening. Right lateral opening. Left inner opening. Left lateral opening. First place the hinges on the door frame. Then screw in the screws. The same on the other side. Mount trim to post and attach top cap. Insert the upright posts into the ground and pour concrete to fix them. Then attach door to posts. Tighten screws to fix door. The same on the other side. Attach the gate latch bar to the gate and secure with screws. Next is the installation of the wheels. Drive screws. Put in the screw washer. Tighten the other side with a nut. Place the ground anchor pin. Secure with screws. The door installation is complete. Thank you for watching.